Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a guitar tutorial that matches this rainy weather we have outside, and it is actually How You Remind Me by Nickelback. So for this song, it's going to be in standard tuning. The only thing you're going to be needing will really be is a capo, and we will be placing that on the 3rd fret of your guitar. With this, your guitar sounds like this. Really nice and lovely. So let's dive into the only 4 chords that you will be needing to play this song. The first chord being an A minor chord, and that will look and sound like this. The next chord we will be jumping into will be a C chord, and they will sound like this. The next chord we will be playing will be a G chord. I like to add an additional note to this G chord actually, and I'm about to explain why. The G chord sounds like this. And the extra note that I'm adding here is actually my ring finger, where I'm placing it on the 3rd fret right above the pinky as well. Normally it's like this. I add that extra thud to give it more filament. It just feels more full. And now the final chord you'll be playing is actually a D/F sharp. And that one looks and sounds like this. Now for the strumming pattern, I do like to keep it really nice and easy, as the song is relatively straightforward. With that said, the way you'll be strumming will be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, and then it repeats, okay? So altogether, the chords and the strumming should sound like this. It's just the same pattern over and over and over again. So the only time he does change the song is when he's building up to any major part. Like for example, when he goes from the pre-chorus to the chorus itself, with the chorus starting off where it says, "It's not like you ever said sorry," like the very beginning, the main juice. Right before he gets to that, in the pre-chorus, he's still playing the same A minor, C, and then he gets stuck here on the G chord. Here he just intensifies it, so it sounds like this is how you What I'm trying to demonstrate is that the song is very repetitive. It's literally the same chords and just these very powerful lyrics. So now that you know how to do this, sing it loud, sing it proud, smash that like button and subscribe, and I will continue to bring you more amazing songs just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next guitar tutorial. Goodbye.